sell clutch back. Boss niggas love that my weave real long. Do my squats so that ass fat. Love my attitude, so he call me Lil Brat. Brat, he love me long time, cause it's cash, yeah, I match that. Never took a L, lesson learned, and I bounce back. Tripping off a nigga, man, for what?
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Bria. You can call me Breezie if it's easy. Today I'm filming this makeup look for you guys. I do have somewhere to go. It's not really a full get ready with me because I had already did my hair, but I will show you guys my makeup and my outfit I'm going to be putting on today, period. Okay, so yeah, keep watching, you guys. Ignore my loud babies, they always in the back of my videos. Mom, like, if you know, then you know. But yeah, so yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, share this video, all of that, boo. And here we go. What's up, you guys? So the first half of this video is going to be a voiceover, just because my background was kind of loud for my kids, and I was really focused because I actually had somewhere to go during this video, and so I wanted to be able to make sure I kind of stayed on time and wasn't taking forever to film this. But anyhow, the products that I'm using, they will be down below in the description box, so make sure you check that out as well if you have any questions as far as what I am using. So I'm filling in my eyebrows right now. I'm just using the Colourpop pencil, and then I'm going to go in and clean them up using the e.l.f. concealer, which is the only concealer I'll be using throughout this whole video, in case you had any questions about that. Okay guys, so now that I'm done with my brows, I'm going in straight to eyeshadow. So this is the Morphe 350M palette, or 350M. I'm going to be using mostly this for my eyes. Okay, so I'm going in with that same e.l.f. concealer, and then I'm just going to do a cut crease. Yeah, that's fine. That is so cute, y'all. I can't wait to get my full face on. on and I'm gonna come back, okay? Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm taking the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and then I'm going to go in with the Beauty Bakerie Foundation. On YouTube, yes sir. It's exciting. I've been using my Laura Mercier, yeah, but I'm just using today the flour baking powder from Beauty Bakerie. This is in the shade Cassava Flour. What I've been holding this whole time, the Morphe Glam Bronze. What's the shade of this? Megastar. Alright, let me see. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, this is my first time using this, y'all. Oh, honey, my face is sitting. Okay. Perfect. Alright, this is my first time using this. I got this because Tasha Washa here on YouTube, if y'all know what I'm talking about. Luminous setting spray, glow, get it? Glow, get it? Maybelline Master Chrome and shade Molten Gold. Take this shade from the Morphe Saweetie collab palette in this first shade and put that in my inner corner. In the corner. Yes, sir. Okay, I have this lip gloss from NYX in the shade Madeline. I never tried it, so we're gonna see what it's hitting for. Baby, very much giving. Can I take you on a date? You can. Girl. Oh, I do need to put some concealer on my heart. I need to get me some earrings. I feel like my light's so bright it kind of wash me out. I need y'all to see this little bit of color I do got, okay? The little bit of melanin I got. I need y'all to see it, okay? Alright, y'all. So this is the final look. If you made it to the end of this video, baby, give it a thumbs up, okay? Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. All of that, too, okay? I ain't playing with you, alright? Okay, y'all. I'll see you on my next video.